So for this video, we are going to be adding. Adding, just like subtracting, you have to line up the place values. If you don't, you will not be doing it correctly. So let's start with 47 plus 39 plus 813. This one has a decimal. But so do all of these. Just the decimal and the first three are irrelevant because there's only zeros that come after. But now we have 2.4. And since we're adding them, we add from top to bottom. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2. Easiest way is to find simple numbers such as 7 plus 3 is 10. That's an easy number. Plus 9 is 19. Plus 2 is 21. Carry the 2. Now we have 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. We have 8 plus 1 is 9. So therefore, the final answer, once you make sure you have your decimal, since this decimal is in the question, there has to be the decimal in the answer. You carry it all the way down no matter what. So the final answer is 901.4.